So we got a little bit of rain last night. I just came down to see, because I have no idea how much it rained. I wanted to see if it helped the pond any and all that good stuff. I put that stick in there a few days ago, and it looks like it's come up about half an inch closer to the stick. So it did help on that. It also helped get rid of all that nasty green film that was on there yesterday. After the rain's done, I'm going to treat it some more. So, and then let's take a look over here. See what it looks like over here. I did a little bit of burning yesterday. I want to see. It burned most of it up. It's still smoking. I can still feel the heat from it. So that's good. And look at here. Whoa. It's a little bit more wet here. Paw prints. Look at that. That's a good one right there. And here's my hand. I'm wondering what that might be. If it's just a big dog or a coyote or something. Let me know what you think. Hope you have a blessed day.